In front of me is Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency number on this tablet. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access Safety and Emergency. Following that, click on Emergency Information and tap on Add Contact. Now just click on the one that you wish to add and do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. If you wish to get rid of one of them, hit this X next to the not needed one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, all of my emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!